Hi, JP Tigers. My name is Miss Jemison, and I am the Assistant Principal of Student Services here at Chaffey. My office is located in North Hall 6, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Miss Jemison. That's at MSJEMISON to stay updated on the latest Chaffey news and events. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important, and that's attendance. Being in school every day is crucial for your success. When you attend school regularly, you stay on top of your studies, participate in class discussions, and build important relationships with your teachers and classmates. Missing school means missing out on learning opportunities which can impact your grades and overall academic performance. Every day counts, and being on time is just as important. When you're punctual, you show respect for your teachers and classmates and ensure that you're not missing out on important instruction that happens at the beginning of class. To help maintain a safe and productive school environment, we use a tool called eHall Pass. This digital pass system allows you to request and manage hall passes right from your phone or school device. Let me show you how it works.
In order to log in to eHall Pass, you will have to use your school device or your phone. Once you log in, you will click on Create Pass. At the top of the screen, you will see a location of where you're departing from. This is where you're leaving from. You can use the drop-down box to search for where you're at, or you can type in where you're at as well. You could type by teacher name or location. So, for example, if you're in the library, type in library and it should pop up. Then you're going to choose a destination. Where will you be going? Again, you can search by teacher's name or location. Also on the bottom boxes, you're going to see some favorite locations like the restroom. You can use those boxes to click on where you would like to go as well. Once you're done, you will hit submit. Once you hit submit, your teacher will then have to approve your pass. You're going to see it pop up as red. If you'd like to cancel your request, if you change your mind, you could click on the top for cancel request. Or if for some reason you're not able to go to that location, your teacher might cancel the request as well. You know you're free to go when the red box changes. Once your pass turns to green, you are now free to go. Remember, you only have 15 minutes to use your pass before it expires.
Using eHall Pass helps us keep track of where students are during the school day, ensuring security and safety on campus. It also helps our teachers to focus on teaching and you to focus on learning. Because your attendance is important to your success, as a student, we also offer Saturday school, which we call ROAR. If you happen to miss school because you are sick or there is an emergency, you can come and attend Saturday school to ensure you are caught up in your classes. Remember, your attendance is important, and being on time shows that you're committed to your education. Let's make this school year a great one by being present and punctual every day. If you have any questions about eHall Pass or need assistance, feel free to stop by my office or reach out to me. Thank you and have a great day, Chaffey.